Okay, I figured I'd give you guys an update of the Curation Center here. Got a bunch of projects going on at the same time, just practicing on different items, and I am dying just to finish one, but I want to take my time. All right, first off is the Galactica Viper, the original series Viper. This is the cockpit and nicely primed. I'm going to make this look really nice. Hopefully this weekend when I do some fine painting to color this up, make this look alive. Can't wait to do that. I mixed a gray, my own special gray for this Viper, and I made enough to cover all the parts because I don't know if I'm going to be able to recreate this gray again. So here you have the gray on the body and on the engine, so hopefully that works out. I'm sure it will, but yeah, you always got to make sure you write down your formula because I did this sort of on the fly in a hurry, and it looks good because all the grays I was able to put on here were all too dark. So I lightened it up a little bit. So this is more like the color that I want. Okay, moving on. My Space 1999 12-inch Eagle. These are my engine bells and directional thrusters in metallic silver and chrome and black inside. I think these came out really well. I'll show you one up close here. So this came out pretty decent, and did some masking on the front of the Eagle, and this came out not too bad. I initially had some yellow in there, and then I ended up overspraying, so I made it black, and now it's going to be hard to put it back to yellow to signify the windows. So let's see how that works out. But that's coming along. My pod, when you look at it from a distance, these windows look completely awesome. When you get really close, well, you see a little bit defects. My first time doing some masking on small details like this, and I did airbrush this, and I followed it up with black pencil and a little bit of a magic marker, but I did airbrush this. So, and here are my thrusters, black on the inside, silver on the outside, and the landing pads. This I airbrushed the thrusters before I connected them, and I just painted with a small brush these landing pads. Okay, moving on. Let's see. The Enterprise has been my huge experiment for putty filling, and let me tell you, it's really hard to get an even coat on a saucer that's not perfectly flat. So I got different shades of gray and some liquid putty going on in there. So this is definitely my slave, my one kid I go to try new techniques, and hopefully I'll finish this sometime. If not, I'll have to get another one just to make a nice one of it. Let's see, moving along. I got my tank that was all shiny black. Now it's primed. I finally figured out how to take off the treads, because there's always actually I missed a spot there, dang it. But yeah, you shouldn't paint with the treads on. You should take off the treads. So that's going to be painted with some tank scheme, and maybe I'll go over that this weekend. I primed my Eagle pod in white. White is a pain in the neck. This isn't quite capable of blocking light out of it yet, but I'm going to mess around and see if I can do maybe prime it with black on the inside and practice that. And let's see, moving over here. Brown chairs of one of my interior pods for the 22-inch Eagle. And you see there, this is actually Tamiya brown, and I thinned it with Tamiya thinner. And this is 2 coats, 1 coat of primer and then 2 coats of paint, and this came out really nice. This came out really nice. Nice brown like I wanted to. Back over here on my 12-inch Eagle, got my individual landing skids on my little, I don't know what you call these, but there's 4 of them on the Eagle. So I'm hoping to finish this off this weekend already, because geez, I'm dying to see it all put together. But I still have little painting to do here or there. I still have all these recesses are supposed to be black. So let's see what I do, and I'm gonna figure out whether I actually scrape. I got a new seam scraper. See if I bother scraping this and making it flat and then repainting it. I might do that just because I haven't finished this piece yet. So, all right, until next time, I'm going to show you some more painting and hopefully a completed model here soon. As you can see, I got a lot of stuff going on. My brain's in 10 different directions because I get to a certain point, I can't go any further because of painter or something, so I got to do something else with my time. So that's why I got like 4 projects going on. All right, until next time.